Another important and interesting animation coming your way. These are the saturated fatty acids. These are the unsaturated fatty acids. You see one fatty acid being removed and a phosphorus being added to form phospholipid. The purple dots are the polar and the green ones are the non-polar. These phospholipids are joining together to form cell wall, a cell membrane. Starting with lipids. The term was given by Blue. Lipids do not form polymers in nature except cutin. Cutin is a polymer of fatty acids. Mostly lipids are formed of fatty acids and alcohol. One of the common alcohol that is used in formation of lipids is glycerol. The fatty acids and alcohol are joined to each other by ester bonds. In each fatty acid, one carboxyl group is present. Lipids are formed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. However, the oxygen content is very small as compared to other two elements. Some lipids also contain small amounts of phosphorus, nitrogen, and rarely sulfur. Types of lipids. Blue classified lipids into three categories in the year 1943. They could be simple, compound, or derived lipids. Starting with simple lipids. These are lipids formed of fatty acids and alcohol without any additional group. Simple lipid includes fats or the true fats, wax, cutin, and suberin. Simple lipids are mainly of two types. There could be neutral fats and oils, and number two, wax. Starting with neutral fats and oils. These are triglyceride compounds. Contain one molecule of neutral fat consisting of one molecule of glycerol and three molecules of fatty acids. You can see there is a molecule of glycerol which is a trihydroxy alcohol and three molecules of fatty acid which joins together by loss of water molecule to form fat. The true fats, triglycerides or the neutral fats, esters of fatty acids with 3 carbon trihydric alcohol or the glycerol. True fat therefore is also called the triglyceride. Ester is formed due to reaction between carboxylic group of an organic acid and the hydroxyl group of an alcohol producing an ester linkage. Fats are hydrolyzed by enzymes lipase into their constituent fatty acids and glycerol. They are also hydrolyzed by means of alkali. They produce glycerol and alkali salt of fatty acids or soaps. This phenomena is then called saponification. True fats are neutral in reaction and are therefore also called neutral fats. They do not have any color, taste, and odor. Fats are stored as droplets or globules. In animal bodies, they occur inside special cells called adipocytes. Tissue storing fat is called the adipose tissue. In plants, the fat is commonly stored in seeds. Fat storing seeds are called the oil seeds, example rapeseed, mustard, sunflower, cotton, and the groundnut. Fat is highly energy giving food. It is present as a food reserve in both plants and animals. Fats are of two types. The hard fat, they are the true fats which are solid at room temperature. It is due to presence of long chain saturated fatty acids. They do not contain double or triple bond. Animal fat is hard fat. The vegetable ghee is also hard due to conversion of unsaturated fatty acids into saturated during hydrogenation of oil. Fatty acids. Monocarboxylic organic acids having a hydrocarbon chain of 4 to 30 carbon atoms. Polar carboxylic group is hydrophilic. The remaining part of the fatty acid, that is the hydrocarbon chain, is however non-polar or the hydrophobic or water insoluble. However, it is soluble in fat solvents and is therefore called lipophilic. Fatty acids reduce surface tension of water, increases its wetting power and hence capacity to clean. Soap action is due to this phenomena. Depending upon the absence or presence of double bonds, fatty acids are of two types: saturated and unsaturated. Saturated fatty acids, they are solid at room temperature, they are metabolically less active, so they have a tendency to be deposited inside the body. These are more in animal fat, example ghee and butter. These are those fatty acids where all the carbon atoms of the hydrocarbon chain are linked by single bonds. There are no double or triple bonds. The saturated fatty acids have high melting point, therefore they are solids at room temperature. As they are saturated, therefore they cannot take any more oxygen and they increase the blood pressure. You have palmitic acid with the melting point of 63.1 degrees. You have stearic acid with a melting point of 69.6 degrees, arachidic acid with a melting point of 76.5 degrees. Coming to unsaturated fatty acids. General formula: CnH2n minus X O2, where N is the number of carbon atoms and X is the number of olefin bonds. Example: oleic acid, linoleic acid, linolenic acid and arachidonic acid. MUFA are the monounsaturated fatty acids having only one double bond. Example: the oleic acid. PUFA, polyunsaturated fatty acids. They contain more than two double bonds, two or more than two double bonds. The linoleic acid, linolenic acid and the arachidonic acid are polyunsaturated fatty acids. These polyunsaturated fatty acids are also known as essential fatty acids. They are not synthesized in our body. You have oleic acid with a melting point of 13.4 degrees centigrade, low melting point, therefore liquid at room temperature. Linoleic acid with a melting point of minus 5 degrees centigrade. Linolenic acid with a melting point of minus 11 degrees centigrade. And arachidonic acid, it can never be a solid with a melting point of minus 49.5 degrees centigrade. However, the melting point of unsaturated fatty acids fall with the increase in the number of double bonds. Therefore, arachidonic acid with 4 double bonds have lowest melting point. As a result, the fats having unsaturated fatty acids are generally liquids or oils, like most of the plant fats, while fats with saturated fatty acids are generally solid. Example, most of the animal fats. Plants are able to synthesize all the fatty acids. Animals also possess the biosynthetic machinery of fatty acid synthesis except for the three highly unsaturated fatty acids, the linolenic, linoleic and the arachidonic acid. Therefore, these are called essential fatty acids as these three have to be taken in diet. They cannot be synthesized in human body. Waxes, monoglyceride compounds, chemically inert, do not react as they do not contain double bonds. They are insoluble in water. On heating, they become soft. On cooling, they again become hard and water resistant. Waxes are common water repellent and lubricant lipids of plants and animals. Most land plants possess wax as they bloom over fruits and other soft organs. It is also a component of cuticle over leaf surface for reducing transpiration. In floating leaves, the upper surface is covered by wax in order to prevent wetting and closing of stomata present on the upper surface. Cutin. It is a lipid formed by polymerization and cross-esterification of hydroxy fatty acids. Cutin occurs inside outer epidermal walls of plant surface as benign agent that also reduces the rate of transpiration. Along with wax, cutin forms a layer of cuticle on the surface of leaves and other soft organs. Suberin, lipid formed by esterification of phenolic acid or its derivatives with glycerol. Suberin occurs in the wall of Koch cells and endodermal cells. It makes the cell wall impermeable to water. The conjugated lipids consist of lipids and non-lipid parts like phospholipids. It is most abundant lipid present in cell membrane, therefore known as membrane lipid, made up of lipid and phosphoric acid. The basic phospholipid is phosphatidic acid. They are respectively known as phosphatidyl choline or the lecithin, phosphatidyl ethanolamine or the cephalin, phosphatidyl serine, and phosphatidyl inositol. Phospholipids are amphipathic as they have both hydrophobic and hydrophilic ends. Phospholipids also account for fluidity and selective permeability of the membranes. Lecithin acts as a carrier molecule. By its deficiency, fatty liver disease is caused. Cephalin is present in egg yolk and nervous tissue. Cephalin helps in blood clotting. The glycolipids, lipids having sugar residues. Two common glycolipids are cerebrosides and gangliosides. Starting with cerebroside, made up of amino alcohol sphingosine, a fatty acid, and sugar. The polar head group is neutral, being made up of sugar unit. Glucocerebrosides contain D-glucose in the head region. They are found in cell membrane. Galactocerebrosides have D-galactose in head region. They occur in cell membranes of brain cells. Keratin, cerebron, nervon, and oxynervon and kerasin are the common galactocerebrosides. The gangliosides, made up of sphingosine or dihydrosphingosine, fatty acid, glucose, galactose, N-acetylglucosamine, and sialic acid. Gangliosides are involved in ion transport and receptors for viral particles. They are present in gray matter of the nervous system. By extra rotation of glycolipid, Tay-Sachs disease is caused. The lipoproteins. They are the complex biomolecules made up of triglycerides, phospholipids, cholesterol in combination with proteins. Lipoproteins are of four types. The chylomicrons, high density lipoproteins or the HDL, the good cholesterol, low density lipoproteins LDL or the bad cholesterol, and very low density lipoproteins or the VLDL. Derived lipids. They are derivatives of lipids or lipid-like substances. Examples: steroids and sterol-like cholesterol, lipid-soluble vitamins, lipid-soluble hormones, terpenes, and the prostaglandins. Steroids, group of tetracyclic lipid derivatives which have a nucleus and a cyclopentanoperhydrophenanthrin ring with phenanthrin part made up of 3 hexane rings, while the fourth ring is pentane. Most common sterol is cholesterol. Ergosterol, it is present in the cell membrane of ergot, fungus, and yeast. Coprosterol is present in stool. It is formed by bacterial reduction of cholesterol. Sitosterol is present in wheat germ oil. Another interesting animation coming your way. You can see it is a long chain. Cyclopentanoperhydrophenanthrin ring. The lipid hormones, amino acids containing an amino group and a carboxyl group. R could be any functional group. Structure of valine, tryptophan, the polypeptides. Multiple amino acids can be joined by peptide bonds to form a polypeptide. Cholesterol. Other name for cholesterol is parental steroid. It is present all over the body but is absent in cerebrospinal fluid. Cholesterol is found exclusively in animal food. It has been reported to occur in potato. The major part of the body cholesterol is synthesized in liver and adrenal cortex. Other organs taking part in synthesis of cholesterol are skin, intestine, kidneys, ovaries and testes. Normal cholesterol concentration of blood is 140 to 250 milligrams per 100 ml. It also forms component of LDL or the low density lipoprotein and high density lipoproteins. Concentration of LDL and VLDL is found to increase in atherosclerosis and coronary thrombosis, leading to decreased blood flow to the heart. Cholesterol is component of cell membranes in animals and wall-less bacteria called the mycoplasmas. Cholesterol also helps in formation of bile salts. The 7-dehydroxycholesterol present in sebum. It is a provitamin for vitamin D3. Presence of UV rays, it converts into vitamin D. Chemical name of vitamin D is calciferol.